Let's do the Analyst Builder SQL question of the week. Our prompt is, if a customer is 55 or above, they qualify for the Senior Citizen Discount. Check which customers qualify. Assume the current date is 1/1/2023. Return all of the customer IDs who qualify for the Senior Citizen Discount in ascending order. Looking at the data, we can see we have one table called Customers, which has two columns, Customer ID and Birth Date. Simple enough. Starting off, it looks like it only wants us to return customer IDs, so the only column we'll have in our select statement is customer ID. We'll be pulling all of our data from the customers table. What we're looking for is only customers who are 55 or above, and usually when you see some kind of criteria for the data you want to return, that clues us in that we want a where statement. There are several ways that we could filter for customers that are at least 55 years of age, but for this problem, I'm going to show you a really cool SQL function called timestamp diff. The timestamp diff function finds the difference between two dates, and you can return this difference in years, months, weeks, hours, minutes, or even seconds. As you can see, we are using three arguments for this function. Our first argument is year, and this tells us we want the number of years between the birth date and 1/1/23, so we know how old the customer is. And then our last two arguments are the two dates we want to find the difference between, and for this problem we are looking for the difference between the customer's birth date and January 1st, 2023, and we want to return only customers that are older than 55, so we want this number to be greater than 55 years or equal to 55 years. The last thing it wants us to do is order the customer IDs in ascending order, so we will order by customer ID. Let's come up here and run our code. Let's pull this up a little bit, and we can see all of these customer IDs, and if we look closely, we can see that these are in ascending order. Let's come up here and check our answer, and yay, we did it. I highly recommend doing some SQL practice problems on your own as a way to practice and grow your SQL skills. I did this problem with Analyst Builder. Some of the questions are free, some of the questions aren't. Just be sure to use code ELIJAH25 for 25% off if you buy something.